Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope you're doing well. It is freezing season. I've been wanting to wear this sweatshirt for a couple weeks now since I got it, so I'm really excited to finally be able to wear it. But quickly, Starbucks cup of the day. This is one of my favorite ones that they ever did because it has like a purple ribbon intertwined on it. Oh, yeah, and it was like a special commemoration cup. So anyway, like it. Welcome to Saturday. Welcome to what I'm going to call Show and Tell Saturday, because I have a package I want to show. And I don't have the best footage, but we went to a symphony performance this last weekend. And I always show like the lights and stuff in Portland, but it was a really weird time, but I'm calling it Show Saturday. So if we go to any events on Saturday, I'll try to like plop in some stuff. But that's my plan, is to throw in some highlights of anything we go and see out on the town. So if we go see Christmas lights, or I mean not Christmas lights, but well, yeah, Christmas lights, because it'd be like the tree lightings and little festival thingies that happen in the area, like anything we go and do, I'll show them on Saturday. But a lot of the like performances we go to, you can't really video, so we don't want to get in trouble. So I might stick my camera and do a quick little shot or two. But anywho, so I'll go grab the package, then share with you that. But I wanted to chat with you guys about the possibility, and I have no idea if anybody has any interest, but I miss Christmas cards. I don't get Christmas cards anymore, really. Like, most of my family is either no longer in this world, or the few that are, they just don't send Christmas cards or like a text, And I miss because I'm old. I miss old school Christmas cards and things like that. So I'm wondering if anybody might want to. It's almost like a pen pal. If anybody wants to exchange Christmas cards this year. I know that we're getting late. It's already the 6th, so we got to get a move on if I'm going to do it. But my P.O. box is down in the description box. I'll put it on the screen as well. But if you want to exchange, I will write back as soon as possible, send you a card. I don't know if I can go international or not. I assume a stamp will work international, but I'd love to write people outside of the country, but I have no idea how long it would take to get to me and then back to you. Who cares? Write me from wherever and I will get back to you eventually. I'd like, if you don't mind me sharing, your card. I won't share what's written inside it, but like just your card and your name. I will do that. So I'm thinking I would like to do that. So if you think that would be cool, please do that. If you don't want to, just let me know, and whatever you send, if you do. I just think it would kind of be fun. So, all right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the package. All right, and I'm back. So this is really sweet, and no one ever has to send me anything, and please, and like I appreciate it. Trust me, I love everyone who thinks of me. I don't have a lot of local friends that are into this kind of stuff. So when I hear from like-minded people, it excites me to no end. So I got a notification that I had a package, and I'm like, oh my God, who's sending me something? And it's from my fabulous friend, I think fabulous friend, who has a great channel, Dia, and she's around. Everybody sees her at the lives and all that kind of things out there. I'm never around because I'm always working, but I'm not gonna show you what she wrote me all, but I was like, this is my little card, and there's the outside. I haven't gone through, I just got the card out. I haven't gone through to see what's in it. So we're gonna do that together and see. But that was just, it was just such a nice surprise. So thank you, Dia. I appreciate you. And I'm going to send you out something too, because I have a little something for you. And then my other friend as well. Laura, I haven't forgot about you. Your present's on the table. I'm just packaging. I have one item I'm waiting for. Side note. But anyway, it's just in this item right here. And ooh. Okay, let's go with a couple of small little thingies first. They are Festive Spice, and these are for Stefan because I don't drink tea, but he does. And Peachy King, and he loves peach. These are perfect. Thank you. And a little star from Blind as I Am, Victoria. Oh, cute. Oh, that's fun. Well, like coin pursey charm. Oh, that'll be awesome. See, it gets cuter than the Dior one. Sorry. I mean, whatever, you know, I like the Dior concept, but it just looks like raffia to me. I gotta see it in person, I guess, to not be so snarky. But I'm kind of snarky. Oh my god, it looks like a lot of candy. There's two. Okay, hold on. Let me get all the candy out, and then I'll go into these two things. But oh my gosh, lots of fun stuff. So I've got some candy canes. Oh, they're so cute. They got little thingies on them. That's so cute. Here's that one. Oh, like a nutcracker. Aw, and another one like that. That's so cute. I love it. I love them. Good Fortune. I love this perfume. Thank you. Oh, that's so nice of you. That's so nice of you. You didn't have to do that. Aw. And I got two. Kind of nondescript boxes, but let's, I usually have a opener. Give me a minute. Ooh. Oh, nice. And you know, I like vanilla. Girl knows me. Love it. And this one's got to be another, this one says pink on it. So let me get in that real fast. I should have pre-opened it, but I like the element of surprise, so bear with me. Oh, okay, must be the matching fragrance. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh. This smells like the LV fragrance. I just tried it when I was there on Sunday. Oh my god. Yes, it's a dupe. It's so expensive, but that is so awesome. That is so awesome. It's called Vanilla and Dreamy. That is so cool. Oh my god. Thank you so much. That is so awesome. Oh, you're so sweet. I love you. See, this is why I like doing Vlogmas, and I like having, I don't do this for, you know, it's not about, I'm just doing it to hang out and do stuff. If I had time for lives, I would do lives and just like shoot the breeze, but oh man. That's so awesome. Thank you. Oh, I'm so sweet. Well, so you should be getting your packages real soon. I'm having my husband take it to the PO on Monday and let me know if you like everything. This is so kind. I just really appreciate it. Okay. you'll see some of what we did over the weekend next, and then we'll wrap it up at the end with advent calendars and all the things. So see you soon. Hey, Steph.
Yes, dear.
What time is it?
Advent calendar time. At least that works.
These little ones are following me. They've like gone from one side of the couch to the other.
Blep.
You don't need to move. We'll get the treats to you. I swear.
Blep.
You'll be good. All right. Day 6.
Ah, yes. Okay.
How was Mother's Little Helper?
Oh, was it Mother's Little Helper was the last one? Yeah. Interesting. It was did I say it was a rooibos? I think it was a rooibos, which I don't like.
What I found fascinating was it seemed like most of them had... Can you turn it over again?
Yeah.
Most of them had stickers, but this one's like engraved.
I think they're all printed on.
No, the Peaches one is back there. It has sticker.
Oh, yeah. You are right.
So I don't know why. But anyway, I'm just...
Okay.
surmising.
Anyway, that's right. That wasn't with rooibos. That was just... it was totally herbal, but the thing that made it taste kind of nasty was valerian root.
Yes, okay. We're trying to figure out what the...
Yeah.
what
Otherwise, it tasted like celestial seasoning sleepy time. Okay, number 6. Candy cane crush.
It's gonna be
I think I remember that's a black tea. So
Is that that's a game, isn't it?
no, Candy Crush. Oh yeah.
Okay, sorry. Ooh, It looks kind of
Yeah.
interesting, though.
It's a black tea, and it's got little pieces of peppermint candy crushed in it, apparently. I think I remember having it before. I think it was in that calendar I had 2 years ago.
Okay.
No, was it 2 years ago? I had it when we were in Carlton, so that was a lot longer than 2 years ago.
It's over 5 years.
Yeah. Okay, that's done. Number 6 on the C's. Oh, I keep on forgetting to put the drawers back in.
It's white.
I'll catch it later.
It's a white
Yes,
chocolate.
it is. It is white, and it's got like little peaks on it.
I think it's a white nougaty nutty one. I can't remember. I'll put it out on the screen.
You'll find out.
I will find out.
Blep.
We
You're
will
still
find out.
blepping. Okay, number 6. Okay. Oh, it looks like it's a sample of a fragrance. Sample of
No,
fragrance?
that's a lipstick.
Oh, it's a lipstick. Okay. It looks
It's a lip
same kind of
shine.
packaging I'm used to seeing fragrance samples in.
YSL lip shine. Cool. I believe
All right.
I like those.
There we go. All right. Again, I'll go to mine last. Number 6 for... Oh, it's something big. It's a toy.
It's a toy, mamas. You're gonna fight over that. That should make you happy. Get that tongue out.
Blep. You still
You
blepping.
got a sock.
Pickle. It's a new toy. New toy.
Oh my god, look at that butt. Look at that butt shake. Oh my god. Be
Pickles, you want to
excited.
play? You like to play tug with
She's
Poppy?
like, I kind of want the freezer chicken, but I know it's coming.
Yeah, it is.
And Poppy's like, I got a toy. I'm good.
You like to play with Poppy. Oh,
Oh, she's like, wait, there's food.
and she remembers too.
I'll come back to that.
Yeah, that's not going
I'll
anywhere.
leave that for later.
I don't know. Pickles might pick it up and take it away, or Bamboo might.
Knocking over the pillow. What's going on?
There we go. Got it torn. Okay, you can have the first. Yum.
Bamboo. Come here.
Bamboo. Oh, okay. Save the biggest pieces for Bamboo. Here's one for the pickle pup. There's a big one for the Bamboo. Okay.
Good job, ladies.
Yes, I still have all my fingers.
Did Bamboo get
Although it was,
everything?
yeah, you got a piece.
All right. What's your treat?
It is. There's 6 right next to. It looks like another caramel Lannister. Hear me roar.
It's a milk chocolate.
Milk
one.
chocolate Lannister. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's right. These come in milk and dark chocolate.
All right. So that's the end of week 1. Holy crap. that was a week. I'll just say I'm exhausted just because after Thanksgiving, like having the days off and then not having days off for work, it was exhausting. But this next week should be, getting in the swing of things, figuring things out. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's recipe, and we'll see what the next week brings. Tomorrow will be swap out Sunday, and then we'll get into the weekly grind as we do.
They're enjoying the toy already.
They are enjoying that toy. Got some spending coming in as we do, so we'll talk about those on Wednesday. I think if there's anything else to talk about. I think that's it. So I will see you tomorrow.
Merry Christmas.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time